mga TikTok creator tools. These are advanced features that give you insight in your content. For example, information about your audience, how to develop a content strategy, and how to engage to people watching your videos. Ang mga pwedeng maka-access ng creator tools ay both personal and business accounts. How to access creator tools? Number 1, in the TikTok app, tap profile at the bottom. Tap the menu button at the top. Tap creator tools. Tap the tool you'd like to review. So, ano-ano nga ba yung mga features na meron dito sa creator tools? Analytics. Use analytics for insight into how your videos are performing. Dito mo makikita yung overview ng mga videos mo, kabilang mga likes, share, follow, and comments. Kasama rin dito yung mga profile views, kung sino yung mga nag-visit sa'yo, at kung ilan na ang iyong followers. Creator Portal. Itong creator portal is a hub design para matulungan ng mga content creators kung paano gamitin ang TikTok. Like kung paano makipag-connect sa mga audience, kung paano mag-grow as a content creator, as well as best practices for your videos. Next is Promote. Ito ay isang advertising tool na tutulungan kang mas lumawak ang reach para mas ma-discover ka ng ibang mga users. Next is Q&A. Q&A allows your viewers to ask questions directly to your profile or in the comment sections of your video. So yung mga tanong na yun, pwede mo yung replyan as a video or pwede din as a comment. And last, TikTok Creator Next. Creator Next is a TikTok monetization program that rewards creators as they grow their communities. Available lamang ang Creator Next sa ibang bansa.